Hello guys, to another video. This is where you can find legendary cut candle. Oh, what the heck? Legendary cut candle. Very good fighting style, but it's hard one to get. This is not a heavy. Very easy very easy, but there. Wait, what the? This is where you get the cut candle. Tap the mirror and go to forest. There is a 3 spots that you can find hobo. The first thing is in here. Not sure guys, just yes, hobo is just the first place that I see him. What the heck just happened? And now go in here. There is a 3 spot where is hobo. Very easy to him to find a 3 spot. Just go in here. Sabihin mo kay Papa. Just go in here. Someone fighting the org. What the heck? I'm just lagging. I think there is 3 spots to find hobo. Where is he? But I know he's just in here. I think he's just in here. Maybe just 3 spot or just 2 spot. Maybe go in here. Now you can find where is hobo. He is spawns in here. But sometimes I see him spawns in different direction. But you need to defeat hobo to get legendary cut candle. It's not legendary when you first get cut candle. It just cut candle. That's why there is legendary, because I forged it. Very easy to get, not that so hard. But make sure to have friends help you to get legendary cut candle. That is all I can say. So bye guys. See you in another video.